We're going to create a schema file, a .xsd file that validates the XML file plant catalog. You'll be able to link and get to that .xml file, which is here. I just happen to have it open, and you'll download that. Right-click on it and download it to your computer. To create the .xsd file, you're going to follow these guidelines. So I've given you a hint here, and I'll post the other example I went over in one of the videos. But you need to make a complex type right off the bat, so you could take this and copy it and put it in your Notepad++ editor. You're just going to have to clean it up a little bit, or you could put it into Notepad if you want. Sometimes this is how I do it. Paste it, and then from there, once it's been stripped of any kind of formatting, then you could put it into Notepad++, create a new file, do something like that. You're going to save it, save as a .xsd file, which is an XML file. So you'll do that, and then you can just change this extension to .xsd, whatever you want to call it. Save it. Okay, so you can see right off the bat you have XML. You still haven't closed everything out. We're going to have a lot of stuff you need to do to it to create it, but you're going to need to close out schema, right? So you're going to do something like this. So that one's closed out, and element will have to be closed out, complex type, so on and so forth. So you get the idea on that. And then you're going to have some rules here to follow, or some definitions. You're going to define common and botanicals, elements, set their types of string. And it's the same thing we've done with other exercises, where essentially you have a list of things you need to do in order to complete the assignment. Submit questions and issues to your assigned group. I feel like maybe we're starting to kind of fall behind with this, and it's going to show up in your homeworks, because the exercises more or less are a run through of what the homework is going to be like. So if you get the exercise done and complete it, the homework is much, much easier to do. I'm trying to be subtle here, but I will be blunt. Do the exercises. What I've decided is just to make sure that you're doing them, is that when you're finished with the exercise, that you submit it to me via email, and you'll get 1 point for your participation credit. So it's just, if you do it, you get a point. If you don't get a point. Do it. I will say it again, do the exercises. I put a lot of time into these, and if you put some time into it, you'll see that the homework assignments and the tests and everything are just way easier. And you have your group to consult with. This is open learning. It's not like you have to be secretive about how you're doing this. So I really encourage group work. I will intervene if I feel like you all are stuck on something. I'll help you out. But you really need to put your time into this. It's I know with this being an online class, sometimes it's easy just to kind of forget that, oh, there's this class, it's online. But again, I admonish you to use this opportunity to do these exercises. They will pay off, and trust me, I guarantee it will pay off if you do the exercises. So that's it. This will all be linked off the course site, and if you have any questions regarding the nature of the exercise, again, I want you to put them to the group that you're assigned to, and I will answer them there.